Okay, just going to show you what you receive as a client after a service. So you're going to head into conversations and you will check out this latest message that was sent. Okay, Coda just got back from his run. Let's see what he did. He was happy, grabbed his toy, he geared up and headed out for his run. He pooped and peed, nothing crazy happened. The walker jogger refreshed his water, left him with a treat, and his sister cat came out to say hi. You get a couple awesome pictures of him and his sister and the jogger, and a map of where they went for their run. And then I can also view a couple other things here. So there's the whole message again. And then underneath I can double check that my alarm was set. The house was, they double checked that the house was locked. He pooped, he peed, he drank some water, he got some treats, he played. He was given some love, some kisses, and even a little award. So he was the most welcoming today, which is awesome to see. And that's all on our app right here. And if I wanted to thank Nikki, who was the jogger today, I can go into messages and say, "Hi, Nikki. Thanks so much for taking Coda out." And if I got home and Coda was still asleep, I might send her a picture of that, but I'll just send it. And you can see it'll send in the chat. And that is one of the perks of being a Dog Jogs client. All these awesome photos sent to you after every single service.